McDonald's golden rule to increase sales. Do you want fries with your burger? Would you like a soda? Don't you prefer large fries? If you've ever visited a McDonald's, you've probably heard these questions. These phrases are more fundamental to McDonald's business than you might imagine. Let's imagine that acquiring a new customer, that is, attracting them through marketing, costs McDonald's $5. This could be calculated by dividing the marketing budget for a year by the new customers obtained in that period. And let's suppose that most customers spend only $5 on a menu. With a simple question like, do you want to upgrade your menu for just $1 more, they could make a profit on that first purchase. This is a strategy known as upsell, which consists of offering a customer who is already buying at your business an additional complement that increases the value of the initial purchase. This is just one of several strategies to make customers generate more revenue for your company. It's crucial to understand that for a business to have higher revenue, there are only two options: get more customers or make existing customers spend more. In this video, we will explore different strategies to increase the value of each customer. For our business, the first strategy is upsell, that is, offering additional complements at the time of purchase. A variant of this strategy is cross-sell, which consists of offering complementary products. For example, on Amazon, when you fill your cart, they often suggest other products bought by customers who acquired similar items. In the case of McDonald's, they realized that there was a segment of people who demanded food they were not offering. Can you guess what it was? Yes, breakfast. They implemented breakfast service in their establishments, which were already operational but not selling in the mornings. Over time, some of the customers who came for lunch or dinner also started having breakfast at McDonald's. Recently, they also started serving coffee to attract customers during snacks and midday, thus increasing the value of each customer. Another strategy is repeat purchase. If you get a customer to buy repeatedly at your business, their value will increase. Some businesses create a good product, launch it to the market once, and customers only buy it once, and that's it. Moreover, some entrepreneurs don't think about this and only have the idea of selling a single product, which is not a sustainable business. If your product costs $100 and attracting a customer through marketing costs $70, you will have to make a huge effort to get only $30 of profit. In addition, marketing costs to get new customers tend to increase. For example, if you create a product that helps peel coconuts, once all the people who consume coconuts have bought it, you will have no more market, and customer acquisition costs will increase. Platforms like Facebook ads also work under this principle. As you increase your investment, costs rise because it becomes more difficult for the platform to find customers who buy in your store. Designing repeat purchase strategies is essential. An interesting example is the case of Kit Kat. Kit Kat realized that they needed to sell more chocolates constantly to prevent their business from collapsing. They launched an advertising campaign associating Kit Kat with coffee, an act that many people do daily. They promoted Kit Kat as the perfect companion for a coffee break, and sales increased significantly because they associated it with a recurrent moment in their customers' lives. Another strategy to foster repeat purchase is offering loyalty programs. Many restaurants give a card where purchases are stamped, and after completing certain stamps, you get a free menu. Airlines reward for miles flown, and supermarkets offer benefits for customer loyalty. In my case, being level 3 on Booking, I get discounts and benefits that other search engines don't offer, which motivates me to keep using the platform. Personalized marketing is another strategy. Nowadays, we have a lot of customer data, and if we use it to our advantage, we will get them to repeat their purchases. A simple example is YouTube, which sells products that are videos and charges for the attention it sells to advertisers. Personalizing the user experience is crucial to retain their attention and keep them longer on the platform. TikTok also does this very well with its algorithm that keeps users hooked for hours. An additional strategy, although more complex, is to adjust prices according to demand and the customer's moment. Airlines are experts in this, varying prices according to the search for the ticket or the time. Theme parks and services like Uber also adjust their prices depending on demand. These are some strategies to increase the value of each customer in your business. Remember that you have two options: to get more customers or make existing customers spend more. Generally, getting existing customers to spend more is easier than constantly acquiring new customers. If you liked this video, let us know in the comments. Like to support this project and subscribe to see more videos like this.